Hello everyone. Today I am giving you the demonstration of our PratmaSense Genosensor IVD kit, which you will be receiving as per your requirement. Like this one is for urinary tract infection panel kit. So inside this IVD kit, you will be receiving some required cocktails, one probe box which you have to store at -20°C as mentioned on the box as soon as you receive this IVD kit, and one kit booklet which contain all the necessary information regarding the preparation of cocktails, preparation of probes and the precautions that you have to take during the experiment. So in this IVD kit you will be receiving one bottle of cocktail 1 which is a ready to use, and you have to store this at 4°C. Our second reagent is cocktail 2A, for which you are receiving 3 bottles and have to store at 4°C. Our third cocktail is cocktail 3, which you will be receiving 2 bottles and have to store at 4°C. And our last is developing solution, which you have to store at 4°C. And these are the ready to use cocktails. Now I am talking about the cocktails which you have to prepare, like cocktail 2B. For the preparation of cocktail 2B, you will be receiving cocktail 2B liquid, and inside this probe box you will be receiving cocktail 2B powder. So cocktail 2B liquid and cocktail 2B powder is used to prepare the cocktail 2B. Our second reagent which we have to prepare is cocktail 4. So for the preparation of cocktail 4, you will be receiving cocktail 4A, which is a liquid, and another one is available in this probe box, which is cocktail 4B liquid. So for the preparation of cocktail 4, you have to mix cocktail 4A and cocktail 4B liquid together. And now you will receive two types of probe. One is our capture probe and another one is a detector probe. For example, like this one is our E. coli capture probe, and this one is our E. coli detector probe. So for the preparation of capture probe should be reconstituted with cocktail 3 as provided in the cocktail box. So you will receive 2 bottles of cocktail 3 inside this IVD kit. For example, we have to prepare a E. coli capture probe. So for the preparation of E. coli capture probe, you have to take 2 microliter of E. coli capture probe, which is this one, and have to dissolve in a 200 microliter of cocktail 3, this one. So this is how we prepare E. coli capture probe. And for the other capture probes, like for all other species, all the information given in this kit booklet, how much quantity we have to take for the capture probe and how much quantity we have to take for the cocktail 3 for the preparation of the capture probes. Now I am giving you the demonstration of how to prepare the detector probe. For the preparation of detector probe, firstly we have to prepare detector probe reconstitution solution, for which we are provided with detector probe reconstitution powder, cocktail 3 and molecular grade water. So to prepare the detector probe reconstitution powder, we have to firstly prepare a solution of cocktail 3 and molecular grade water in 1:9 ratio. For example, we have to take 1 ml of this cocktail 3 in 9 ml of molecular grade water, and then we have to take 0.3 gram of this detector probe, 0.3 gram of this detector probe reconstitution powder in the 10 ml of prepared cocktail 3 and molecular grade water solution. And one important thing is that all detector probes to be dissolved in a freshly prepared 3% working solution of detector probe reconstitution powder, and the detector probe reconstitution solution should not be used older than 1 week for the probe reconstitution. Now I am telling you how to reconstitute the detector probes. Like, we have taken this E. coli detector probe. Now we have to dissolve this E. coli detector probe in a freshly prepared reconstitution powder. Like given in this kit booklet, E. coli detector probe have to be taken 2 microliter and dissolved in 800 microliter of detector probe reconstitution solution. And like this, we have to prepare the detector probe for other species also. So this is the demonstration of our preparation of capture and detector probe, which have to be prepared before starting the experiment. Thank you.